life jacket for this mission.
Like when I picked the spuds up, I automatically ran to this end of the barge, right? It's like, there's fuck all here.
It's a large initial expense, and you're talking about every site that you add, you have to buy another base, another base station and another and another and another. But once you're over that initial cost of startup, then the machine cost really goes down, and your efficiencies just go way up.
Have you ever used Trimble?
Yeah, on my sprayer on the farm. We had AccuGrade ready D6s, and we actually, with the wiring and everything, and we didn't even utilize that. We just went straight to the top con. Kept the valves and changed the harnesses and went for it.